Welcome back mga makeup kadas! So, from last time, I know, napakita ko na sa inyo itong palette na to. Nabigyan ko na rin kayo ng some beautiful swatches on this palette. Pero ngayon, gagawa tayo ng makeup tutorial using the Jefree Star Cosmetics Androgyny palette. So, let's go ahead and play with it. Siyempre, maglagay muna tayo ng pin para ito natin ang ating sarili. Yan. First, we are going to use the Illuminate Cosmetics brush. Ito yung parang pinaka-shading brush. So, first we'll go ahead and use Charm for our transition. Next, we are going to change with another shading brush, and then we are going to dip in with Swallow. We are going to use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I am in shade 15 Fair. Next, we are going to use our fingertips on frosting. Going back, we will use the shade Poison. Ayan, para hindi naman mukhang weird yung itsura natin, I am going to put some falsies. I'll be back. Ayan, we are back live. So, ayan. After natin maglagay ng false eyelashes, i-enhance pa natin yung eyeshadow natin. So, ang una natin ginamit is yung yellow shade. Charm. And then, going back with the brush we used for Swallow. Going back with the shade frosting. Ako talaga, hinuhuli ko talaga yung lip liner kasi kinokorek ko yung mga hindi tama. And that is it for our final look. Tinapos natin siya with false eyelashes and eyeliner and some highlighters. We also paired it up with a bold lipstick from MAC that is Ruby Woo, and Ruby Woo na lip liner para mas bold and defined yung ating look. So, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't not forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Don't forget to give that comment kung ano pa yung mga gusto nyo makita sa ating channel. Until next time, thanks for watching. I love you. Bye!